In a bold move that could reshape the future of education and employment, Texas A&M University Corpus Christi has unveiled a new concentration in artificial intelligence within its computer science program. This initiative is designed to equip students with essential skills that are increasingly vital in today's rapidly evolving job market. Senior student Malak Mahdi emphasizes the importance of this addition, stating that it will significantly enhance the prospects of future graduates, known as islanders, as they navigate careers that now demand a solid understanding of AI technologies. In every computer science career, having some level of AI literacy is crucial, Mahdi explains. Even if you don't grasp the technical foundations, it's essential to recognize how AI will transform your field. Job requirements are shifting, and they already have. So providing students with a concentration like this will undoubtedly give them a competitive advantage in the job market. University officials are optimistic that this new concentration will not only prepare graduates for the challenges ahead, but also help them secure lucrative positions across various industries. The focus on artificial intelligence reflects a broader trend in education, where institutions are increasingly recognizing the need to adapt curricula to meet the demands of modern employers. This development raises an intriguing question. Are educational institutions doing enough to prepare students for the future? Or is there still a gap that needs to be addressed? As AI continues to permeate various sectors, how can students ensure they remain relevant in their chosen fields? We invite you to share your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Do you agree with the direction that universities are taking? Or do you believe there are other skills that should be prioritized? Let's discuss.